Welcome to the show. Today, we're decoding the art of transitioning your makeup from day to night, especially for those unexpected date invitations. Why do you think mastering this quick switch is such a valuable skill?
Great question. Life rarely sticks to our schedules. What starts as a typical office day can suddenly include after-hours plans. Having a reliable day-to-night routine means you're always prepared, boosting both confidence and practicality.
That makes sense. It's almost like having a wardrobe staple just in your makeup bag. But many people feel intimidated by the idea of a seamless transformation. Do you think that's due to a lack of knowledge or product overload?
It's often both. The beauty industry offers endless options, which is empowering but can overwhelm. The real secret is understanding which steps actually make a difference, rather than piling on more products.
Perfect segue into our next segment. Let's break down what truly matters in creating a durable daytime look that sets the stage for evening glam. So, starting from the morning, what's essential for a base that survives both a busy workday and sudden evening plans?
Begin with a lightweight, long-wearing base. Think BB cream or tinted moisturizer. For example, BNTC's Glow Shimmer creates a dewy, photo-ready finish that's breathable, yet resilient against heat or humidity.
Interesting. And is there a science behind why lightweight formulas are preferred?
Absolutely. Heavier foundations can oxidize or settle into fine lines over time, especially under office lighting. Lighter bases mimic your skin's natural texture, reducing the need for major touch-ups later.
That's a great point. So, with a dependable base, you're already halfway prepared for whatever the evening brings. Let's discuss how to build on this with minimal effort. Moving into the evening, what are your top tips for quickly elevating a basic daytime look into something date-ready?
First, target your eyes and lips. These areas create the most impact. To intensify eyes, layer a shimmer or deeper shadow on the crease, and add eyeliner for instant definition. Even a subtle wing can add drama.
And for lips? Many people worry about bold colors wearing off or looking harsh after a long day.
That's where layering comes in. Start with a tinted balm for moisture, then apply a bold lipstick or gloss on top. This approach combines comfort with vibrancy, adapting smoothly to any evening scenario.
What about skin refreshers? Can a quick mist really revive tired makeup?
Definitely. BNTC's Tea Mist Toner, for instance, hydrates and resets your complexion, adding back that dewiness without disturbing your base. It's like giving your skin a second wind before you head out.
As we wrap up, let's talk about those final touches, fragrance and confidence. Why do these seemingly small steps make such a difference?
Fragrance is powerful. It's scientifically shown to influence mood and memory. A signature scent can signal a shift in mindset, helping you transition mentally from professional mode to personal time.
So, it's not just about looking different, but actually feeling ready for the night ahead?
Exactly. Makeup is as much about self-expression as appearance. Taking a moment to add perfume and check your look in the mirror can boost self-assurance, making you feel like you're truly owning the evening.
That's a fantastic reminder. With these strategies, anyone can master the art of the day-to-night makeup transition no matter how spontaneous their plans get.